So here's a quick tutorial on how to mark your buttons on your sewing project. So right here I have a shirt that I'm working on. So it's a button down shirt. So I need to mark my buttonholes. So I'll be putting the buttonholes on the right side. So this is it facing me. This is how I'm going to wear it. So my buttonholes will be on this side, which is the right side, and then the buttons will be on the left here. So I'm going to take this. This is the right side. So I have the right side of my shirt placed here. So this is my collar, and then I have the collar stand. So there's going to be a buttonhole on the collar stand. So the buttonhole on the collar stand is going to be horizontal, while those on the button stand will be vertical. I'm going to place my tape rule like this and mark the first buttonhole 1 inch below the collar stand. So from that mark, I'm going to mark the next buttonhole at 2.5 inches. So this also depends on the size of your button. So my button is 1/2 inch, so which means that the buttonhole will be about 1/2 inch, a little bit longer than 1/2 inch, and then there should be about 2 inches gap between the next buttonhole. So I just keep putting the pin. So since the tape rule is readily available, so I think this is one easy method without needing any complicated or any fancy tool. So another method I use is using the simplex tool. So I got this from AliExpress. So this is going to make it easy for you to place your buttonhole at equal distance. So I'm going to have, so you can measure the distance you want. So from here, so this is like 3 inches. So you can reduce this. You can reduce this and place this first one where you want your buttonhole to start. So keep in mind that you should leave enough space between the collar stand and the buttonhole, that first buttonhole, so that it's easy for your sewing machine to make that buttonhole. So I have, the gap I have is, yes, 2.5. So I'm placing the pin this way because my fabric is quite dark. So ordinarily I would have used my fabric marker to mark in between the space here. Okay, so if your garment is longer, all you have to do is just extend it this way and then continue marking it. So another easy method to do, which I just basically discovered this. So this has got to be my favorite method. So all you have to do is just pick up your favorite shirt. So I have this shirt. I bought this. This is store-bought. It's ready to wear. So I've had this for about a year, and it's sort of like the button placement. So it has just the right number of buttons. So just take this and place it over your current project. So as you can see, I'm matching my button stand. So the collar is here, matching the button stand, and all I have to do is, place a pin through the buttonhole and then keep going. As it is, both garments are almost a perfect match. So this is what we have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons, and then for the button stand, so which happens to be the same size. So this is what I have. So as you can see, the buttonholes on the button stand are vertical. They are parallel to the center front or to the edge of the opening, while that on the collar stand is horizontal. So it's actually easy to remove this. So So I have all my buttonholes marked. So I'll go right ahead and fix the buttonholes